Make the ground shake.
Welcome back, everyone. We got another home challenge this week. We're gonna be doing a little bigger capacity type stuff. I'm hoping to get into some bigger stuff, so I thought that we'd start off with something a little different. I've only seen a few people do this one on YouTube. I've seen a lot of people puke at a lot smaller quantities. As far as competitive eaters, I've only seen a few people do it. So what is this week's challenge? Well, none other than the magical fruit. Beans. That's right. 7 pounds, 5 ounces of delicious beanie goodness. So, let's go ahead and get that warmed up, and I'll see you guys at the table in a minute. All right, welcome back. Here we are at the table. So, this is a big bowl of beans. It's actually a little more substantial than I thought it was going to be. So this is going to be interesting. I also have a cup of water. You guys can see I've got the scale, got a notebook. The last home challenge I did was the ravioli challenge. I ended up getting, I believe it was 8 pounds, 4 ounces total. I'm going to try and shoot to beat that. So this should be right around 7 pounds. I assume I probably lost some of the sauce between the pot and then whatnot, but I'm going to weigh it ahead of time so you guys can see what it weighs, and then we'll weigh the empty bowl at the end and see what's left. We'll do all the math and whatnot. We'll weigh the water. The goal is to finish everything and give myself an hour to do it. So let's go ahead and get this stuff weighed up. All right, so here we go. I don't know if you guys can see that. 7 pounds, 14 and a half ounces. Well, 14, whatever. 7 pounds, 14 ounces for that. All right, so let's get the beans off of there. Let's do the water. All right, so water's 2 pounds, 13 ounces. So we had 7 pounds, 14 ounces, and 2 pounds, 13 ounces. So we're definitely over the 10-pound mark. So that's a good thing, I guess. So yeah, looking at it, what about 9, 10 pounds, 11 ounces right now, minus the bowl. And I think the cup's like 2 ounces and the bowl is whatever. I'll figure it all out, but it should be 10, a little over 10 pounds if I finish everything. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. This is huge. It's a lot of beans. All right, let's go ahead and get this started. As you can see, I grabbed the smallest spoon that I have. Sorry, it's the only one I got, so that's how competitive eaters do it. So let's get this started.
Just nasty.
Still a lot left. I actually think this big spoon was probably a mistake. I should probably just use the normal spoon.
I will say that the flavor gets old real fast. There's just a lot of beans. It's really rich. I don't know if there's probably brown sugar or something in there. Trying to give me heartburn. That don't mean I'm gonna quit. Alright. Almost. There's still a lot there, but we're getting there. Most of it's just the fact that it's beans. It's 7 pounds of beans. Just beans. That's it. And the spoon actually made it worse. I thought it would be funny. It kind of is funny. But definitely made it worse. It's harder to eat. I ended up swallowing a lot of air. I'd have been better off using something a little smaller, but yeah, enjoy.
Nuts. Got it. Do you want to be world famous or no?
Tree.
Oh, they're like, by now they've gotten cold. And they're just gross. It tastes disgusting. If you eat 7 pounds of anything, it's going to taste disgusting. But fear not. I will finish this. Yeah, and I got, it's next to nothing here. I'm going to it's a couple spoonfuls and it's toast. So we'll just keep going here, I guess.
Meh, I'm up dope ass clouds. Hi, haters.
I'm just here to fuck your wife.
Oh God. Yeah, it definitely hurts. Oh. It feels like the beans, I don't know if they swelled up. There's definitely a lot of pressure. You can see that's all the water I got left. And we'll weigh this stuff. So if some of you guys are wondering what it feels like, it hurts. It's kind of like having a stomach cramp, like a pulled muscle at the same time. It's really hard to explain. That's capacity training. You push and it hurts. I'll be okay in probably an hour or two. Till then, I'm gonna be pretty uncomfortable. It'll help when I can stand up after I'm done video and I can walk around a little bit. That'll help. Oh man, it definitely hurts. Yeah, I don't know how I could explain it to you guys. It's probably like, imagine the biggest meal you've ever eaten. And then imagine if you ate twice that much, how you'd feel. That's how I feel a lot of the times. Oh. Alright, let's get it down. Yeah, well, there's a couple drops left in there. Alright. Let's get this over with so I can stand up. Oh, God. go. 13 ounces. That's a spoon, the bowl, the whole deal. There's some sauce left in there, obviously, so whatever. Cups almost 1.5 ounces, so 14.5 ounces. There you go, guys. I'll figure out how much that was total. I'll post it up in the video. I'm in a lot of pain. I'm gonna go try and relax. Try to maybe walk some of this off. Thanks for watching, guys. See you at the next challenge.